Some breaking news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Another controversy erupting ahead of DDC elections. People's Alliance of Gupkar Declaration have written to the Election Commissioner alleging that their candidates in the DDC polls are being confined in the name of security. Let's also go across to my colleague Gursimran, who's joining us with more on this. What more are you learning?
Yes, the letter has been written to the State Election Commissioner K.K. Sharma by Farooq Abdullah, who is the chairperson of this Gupkar Alliance, People Alliance for the Gupkar Declaration. And in his letter, he has written that their candidates, the candidates of People's Alliance for the Gupkar Declaration, which comprises of National Conference, People's Democratic Party, Jammu Kashmir People Conference, Jammu Kashmir People Movement, CPIM and other parties, including the Awami National Conference, they are confined in the name of secure locations. Their candidates are not allowed to move to the areas they want to campaign in, but the BJP is given free hand. These allegations were earlier made by the People's Democratic Party as well, but now the PAGD chief Farooq Abdullah has written to Election Commissioner K.K. Sharma, and now it has to be seen that what comes from the Election Commission. We are constantly in touch with the Election Commission authorities, and they are saying that there is nothing such happening on ground. We have ensured that there will be fair and free elections in the Jammu and Kashmir, as the people are willing to participate in this grassroots democratic polls.
All right. So the Gupkar Alliance candidates, through their chief, Farooq Abdullah, complaining to the Election Commissioner of the Union Territory that their candidates are being confined in the name of security. Now, some such allegations have been made, but not officially. Now, an official letter has been shot off. Given the fact that the elections are nearly upon us, Gursimran, we are expecting, of course, that the Election Commission will respond in some manner very soon.
Yes. I just spoke to an official in the Election Commission. He said that by evening we can expect a response from the Election Commission, though the Jammu and Kashmir Police has already been directed by the State Election Commissioner to ensure free and fair election, and they said that we don't feel anything such is happening on ground, but this will be surely looked upon, the letter written by the Farooq Abdullah, the PAGD chief.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Gursimran, thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime.